Welcome, everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about the future of autonomous driving, where we will also talk about self-driving car safety with AI. Have you ever wondered how autonomous driving cars will shape our future? How will they navigate our bustling city streets or the quiet country roads? The answer lies in the combination of innovative simulation technologies and the power of artificial intelligence. In the grand scheme of things, the future of autonomous driving is not just about the cars themselves, but also about the sophisticated software that powers them. At the heart of autonomous driving technology lies powerful artificial intelligence, capable of processing vast amounts of data in real time and making split-second decisions with incredible precision. These intelligent systems learn from every interaction, constantly adapting and evolving to become even smarter and more reliable. From predicting traffic patterns to optimizing energy efficiency, AI algorithms are revolutionizing the way we think about transportation. With their ability to analyze data from countless sensors and sources, these systems can anticipate traffic congestion, suggest alternate routes, and even coordinate with other vehicles to minimize delays and maximize safety. But the impact of AI and autonomous driving extends far beyond just getting from point A to point B. These technologies have the potential to reshape entire industries, from logistics and transportation to urban planning and infrastructure development. By optimizing traffic flow and reducing congestion, self-driving cars can help cities become more efficient, sustainable, and livable for everyone. Future plans of autonomous driving are poised to revolutionize the way we move and interact with our environment. Here's a glimpse into what lies ahead. Enhanced safety features. One of the primary goals of future autonomous driving plans is to further enhance safety features. This involves the development of advanced collision avoidance systems, pedestrian detection technology, and emergency response mechanisms. By continually refining these safety measures, autonomous vehicles aim to virtually eliminate the risk of accidents on the road. It is possible to have widespread deployment of autonomous vehicle fleets across cities and regions. These fleets will offer on-demand transportation services, providing a convenient and efficient alternative to traditional car ownership. By maximizing vehicle utilization and optimizing routes, autonomous fleets will help reduce traffic congestion and emissions, leading to cleaner and more livable urban environments. In conclusion, the future of autonomous driving holds immense promise for transforming transportation, improving safety, and enhancing quality of life. By using these new technologies and working together, autonomous driving will shape a more connected, sustainable, and fair future for generations to come. Thank you.